Looking to repair or replace your yard hydrant but don't want this mess in your yard? We have the solution. A Hydrant Assist Kit allows you to directly remove your hydrant straight from the surface, allowing for easy repairs in the future, saving you time, money, and headaches.
The first piece of the kit is the brass bottom, which connects to your hydrant and the water line. Next, it connects to a piece of PVC pipe that will encase the underground portion of your hydrant and protect it from erosion. The next piece is the stainless steel staple. This is buried with the water line to make sure that the connection holds strong during the repair and replacement process. The third and final pieces of this kit are the green cap and collar. These two pieces hold the hydrant steady during use and ensure that no dirt or debris go down the hydrant. Overall, the Hydrant Assist Kit is the easiest way to ensure that your hydrant is protected from all the things life can throw at it. Solving your yard hydrant problems is just one click away. Upgrade your hydrant today.